Hey guys, so Ulefone has officially announced the Ulefone Ammo 29 Ultra. The device is expected to launch on the 18th of August. And yeah, it's not going to be cheap. It's going to be as expensive as the Ammo 28 Ultra. But anyways, in this video, I'll be comparing the Ammo 28 Ultra with the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro. It's going to be a quick specs comparison video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have you guys, the Ammo 29 Ultra versus the Tank 4 Pro. Which of the two devices is best in your opinion? Personally, I prefer the Ammo 29 Ultra because it's a flagship tier rugged phone, although it's much more expensive than the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro. It's expected to cost over $1,000, and the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro costs $670. But which do you prefer? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.